A very good morning, class 8th. Today's science lesson. We are going to start with page number 71 in your red course book. The topic is energy, and in this the first example is burning. As we have studied burning this topic earlier, but through the ministry it is advised to take the burning in detail. So I am going to take this topic again. So open page number 71 in your red course book. Okay. Now see burning. By the name you can understand what is burning. Burning is a chemical reaction which occurs when a substance combines with oxygen. And I know you know that burning is the process in which oxygen is required. Without oxygen, you can't burn anything. Now see, what are fuels? Fuels are used every day and are essential for our survival. A fuel is a substance which burns to produce energy. With everyday fuels such as wood, coal, gas being used for heating systems, cooking foods and powering cars. When a substance burns, it reacts with oxygen to release energy in the form of heat and light. This is known as exothermic reaction. Exo means to give out and thermic means heat or energy. You may also hear people talk about the combustion of fuels rather than burning. This is simply because combustion is another word used for burning. Now see, we are going to talk about fuels. A fuel is a substance which burns to produce energy. Fuels contain chemical energy, and by the picture you can understand what are fuels. Now see examples of fuels. Examples of fuels include charcoal, wood, coal, natural gas, oil, etc. Now, burning of a fuel. When we burn a fuel, heat energy and light energy is released. For example, when we burn charcoal for cooking, heat energy is given out. So, when we are burning charcoal, chemical energy is converted into heat energy and also light energy. That is, chemical energy is converted into heat and light energy. It's a nice form of transformation of energy from chemical to heat and light. Now see, I will tell you something about burning of fuel. Sometimes when wood is burnt, you can hear some crackling sound in the fire. So here you have to consider their chemical energy here is also converted into sound energy when wood burns. So here the conversion is chemical energy to sound energy also. Means chemical energy is converted into heat, light as well as sound energy. Now, burning is also known as combustion. So, you can understand, you can use combustion or burning, the same thing. And combustion or burning is a very fast reaction. It is very fast. So, you can understand combustion fast, burning fast, same. Now, again we are going to revise about the reactants and products of the combustion. The reactants of combustion are carbon and oxygen. The products of combustion is carbon dioxide or CO2. So, carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. When charcoal burns, oxygen and carbon atoms rearrange themselves and bonds are created to form carbon dioxide. In this, energy is released and it is therefore an example of exothermic reaction. So what was our motive of this topic is that burning is an example of exothermic reaction, because by the syllabus given by the ministry, they have given in detail exothermic and endothermic reactions. So here we can conclude that burning is a very nice, or combustion is a nice example of exothermic reaction. So there are few questions on page number 71. You are going to do it in the book only while sticking the sticky note on that page, as you do earlier in our classes. Okay, there is no worksheet for you. That questions are only your homework. So thanks for listening. Bye dear.